Let's check in with Intuit CEO Sasan Goodarzi joining us to discuss today. It's great to have you back. A little bit of different tone between small business, Sasan, and consumer. I'm wondering if you can sort of explain where you're taking guidance and why.
Sure, Carl. Good morning. Thank you for having me. I see you're in a different scenery. Looks nice behind you.
Yes.
To answer your question, first of all, we did raise guidance for the year, now growing 12 to 13% on the top line, and our operating income and earnings growing more than 20%. And it's really several elements. One element is small business and Credit Karma actually delivered better than expectations. And tax was below our expectations, and it was really driven by a lower number of filers this year than we anticipated, than the IRS anticipated. And really the primary reason there were lower filers is many folks came in during the pandemic era to get access to the stimulus dollars and the tax credits that the government made available. These are folks that don't actually have to file taxes. But in order to get access to those monies from the government, they actually had to file taxes to get access. And so many of those that came in for all those credits have now left the category. And that's why the total filings was lower, and hence why TurboTax didn't deliver at the rate that we assumed. But I'm bullish about the future because this is more about the number of filers versus our execution.
Yeah, we're definitely used to the idea of COVID pull forwards. One big story last couple of weeks has been this notion that the IRS itself will have an e-filing product in at least pilot mode. And I wonder, is that a competitive threat or not?
We don't view it that way, Carl. First of all, this has been a topic for the 18 years I've been at Intuit. And I'll start first with free software is available for all consumers in the United States. And the awareness is actually quite high. And so, therefore, this would yet be another free software, which we don't believe it's a good way to spend taxpayer dollars. But nevertheless, it would be another free software. And so we don't really see any material impact. We've had several very large entrants into the tax category in the last several years providing free software. And the reality is it's not really made an impact. And really, our strategic focus is the $30 billion that's spent for those that go to have somebody else get their taxes done for them, whether it's a consumer or a small business trying to get their business taxes done. And that's really where we are focused, particularly with data and AI that we've been investing in. We believe we can be very disruptive, and assistance is all done digitally, and that's really where the future is.
I mean, AI, if generative AI can do taxes, that's great news. Sasan, but my question is about the sort of consumer environment. All we keep hearing is that tax returns came in light. That's why we're bumping up against the debt ceiling in June and not September. Why is that? Is it capital gains, or is it a signal of consumer economic weakness?
I would say, well, a couple of things. One is unemployment is still, very low, which means that most people have to still file their taxes. Really, the majority of what happened is because of all of the stimulus and tax credits. In general, refunds were a lot lower this year compared to last year. Balance dues were actually higher, but it was not offset by the amounts that refunds had dropped. And so when you look at all of that, look at all of the pandemic era filers that came in and have now left the category, we believe that's had an impact on some of the ceiling debt that we're talking about.